And then starting next year, we manufacture the Tesla Semi.
Okay. The 2025 Tesla annual shareholder meeting has just provided a look at the newly updated semi-truck. That's right, this is the current Tesla Semi version, and this will be the new 2026 semi-truck. Elon Musk highlighted that the Tesla Semi is set to be one of 3 major products entering volume production next year, bringing with it many significant changes. So, we got 2 big products, or 3 massive products, starting production next year. We got Optimus, we got the Tesla Semi, and we got the Cybercab. Elon Musk shared that the Semi has been enhanced to be more efficient, offer a greater payload capacity, and is now engineered for autonomy. It's confirmed the new version has a redesigned chassis, new headlights, and a host of other features. The price of the Tesla Semi is also expected to change slightly. It will be lower. This is fantastic news for truck drivers who have been eagerly awaiting this model. So, exactly how efficient will this new version be? Can Tesla realistically hit its goal of 50,000 trucks a year? And is this truck truly as smooth as people say? Let's dive in. The Tesla Semi was initially unveiled in 2017 with deliveries commencing in 2022, and it has largely remained in that state since. The total number of semi-trucks built to date is only about 250 units. Elon Musk himself has conceded that the current semis, both those used by Tesla and those delivered to clients, are essentially prototypes. They were test versions intended to collect feedback before the company transitions to manufacturing a more refined version, which is why the semi-truck's design has barely changed since 2017. However, the time has come for a refresh to give it a more futuristic look and, more crucially, to enable autonomous capabilities. Yes, the world's first Class 8 truck that can haul freight in an autonomous mode. While the Semi wasn't the centerpiece of the recent event, Elon Musk did disclose a lot of key information about this model. He indicated that the Semi refresh is a comprehensive update with major ambitions. Visually, the most prominent exterior upgrade is undoubtedly the front end. The Tesla Semi now sports headlights that take their styling cues from the Model Y and Cybertruck. I'm not sure how you feel, but we were big fans of the headlights on the original Tesla Semi prototype. They resembled the truck's eyes and provided impressive illumination. However, this doesn't mean we're disappointed with the new design. The new headlights, which stretch across the cabin's front, appear more modern, aerodynamic, and sleek. Tesla has also fitted the Semi with a new front bumper, and the roofline now features smoother, more rounded contours. And consider this, the existing Semi already boasts an astonishingly low drag coefficient for a Class 8 truck, coming in at just 0.36. This is why it can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 20 seconds. With this refreshed model, it's virtually certain to have an even lower drag coefficient. 0.34 is entirely plausible, but don't think this is a minor tweak. A seemingly small 0.02 improvement in drag coefficient can translate to a reduction in energy use of up to 5 to 7%. This means the travel range could be extended by tens of miles on a single charge. For context, current diesel trucks have drag coefficients between 0.65 and 0.70. They use more energy, have slower acceleration, and produce more wind noise. With a drag coefficient that is roughly half that of a conventional diesel truck, the Tesla Semi slices through the air on the highway. What are your thoughts on the Semi's new light bar? Which headlight design do you prefer? Returning to the Semi's updated design, it's more than just the headlights. The once vast windshield has also been noticeably reduced in size. This may seem counterintuitive, but it's a significant step forward for aerodynamics and safety. In the original version, the Tesla Semi had a massive windshield that gave a panoramic, almost cockpit-style view. But that huge glass panel also created considerable wind resistance at high speeds. For the refresh, Tesla has refined the windshield's shape, making it narrower yet more curved. This design allows air to flow more smoothly over the surface, minimizing vortex points near the A-pillars. This not only decreases the overall drag coefficient, but also enhances cabin and battery cooling by limiting the amount of direct solar heat that enters the vehicle. Tesla also mentioned that the upgraded Semi will support a higher payload capacity, enabling fleets to move more freight per journey. Currently, the maximum gross combined weight, including the truck and its cargo, is 82,000 lbs. To carry a larger payload, the weight of the Semi itself must be reduced. The current long-range Semi is confirmed to weigh 23,000 lbs, We suspect this weight reduction will be achieved with a new battery pack, as previously hinted by Dan Priestley. Specifically, another key upgrade involves the Riggs battery pack. As Tesla has confirmed, the Semi will utilize 4680 battery cells upon entering production, the same cell type as the Cybercab, which is scheduled for production in April 2026. Tesla is gearing up to equip its next-gen semi-trucks with the most powerful and modern battery it has ever engineered, the HV battery, also known as the 4680 cell. HV stands for high voltage, and in this context, it represents a major technological leap. The 4680 cell provides an impressive energy density of up to 290 watt-hours per kilogram, while also drastically cutting production costs due to its innovative structural design. Although Dan Priestley confirmed the Tesla Semi Gen 2 will feature a smaller battery pack, this doesn't imply a performance downgrade. In fact, thanks to the up to 7% improvement in aerodynamic efficiency, the truck will maintain its incredible operational range while being lighter, more cost-effective, and easier to handle. A win-win for both Tesla and its customers. The Semi's shift to 4680 battery cells was a move long anticipated by industry experts, and it's perfectly logical. This battery type, once hailed as the Cybertruck's secret weapon, will now power the Semi, delivering robust power, high performance, and superior cost efficiency, all crucial elements for a heavy-duty truck. Moreover, producing the 4680 cells at Gigafactory Nevada gives Tesla full command over its supply chain, reducing assembly times and optimizing the integration process. The enhancements continue. Tesla states that energy consumption has been lowered to 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, a 15% improvement over the current semi-truck model. When paired with its 500-mile range, this update positions the new truck as a stronger competitor against rivals from Daimler and Volvo. The powertrain output is still 800 kilowatt, but Tesla says internal improvements in cooling, software, and thermal routing will provide more consistent performance under load. Another major upgrade is its charging capability. The new Semi will support a maximum power of 1.2 megawatts. This figure dwarfs the capacity of the current megacharger and, when used with compatible infrastructure, will allow for much shorter charging stops. The payload capacity is also up, though Tesla hasn't specified by how much. When it first launched, Tesla set the Semi's price at $150,000 for the 300-mile version and $180,000 for the 500-mile version, with the limited Founder Series priced at $200,000. However, those figures are now 8 years old, and Tesla has not announced new pricing. So what will the new Semi cost? While we can't provide an exact number, Dan Priestley recently shared on X, the new front end, besides having a new look, is packed with improvements, more aerodynamic, simpler to build, easier to repair, leverages more components from car lineup for better scale, lower cost. Clearly, Tesla is targeting a substantial reduction in production costs for the Semi Gen 2. The design changes not only make the truck more aerodynamic, but also streamline manufacturing and maintenance by using shared components from other Tesla vehicles like the Cybertruck or Model X. This creates an advantage of scale, a key factor that will help Tesla reduce the final price while